Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to create a roadmap in Microsoft PowerPoint, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Let us say that this is your PowerPoint presentation. Click on File, select New. In this option which reads Search for online templates and themes, type Roadmap. Hit Enter. This will show all the existing templates or roadmap. Let's say that you want this one. And then simply click on Create and it will be embedded to the document. However, if you want something custom, then go to Insert, select SmartArt, go to Process, then select some roadmap and click on OK. And you can create your own roadmap. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.